students? Do you know, students? Each one of us is different. We are special and so are you. We all may be quite different from one another, but we all have a wonderful body. My body is wonderful and is mine. Your body is wonderful and is yours. We take care of our body parts and keep them clean. But we do not show them to everyone. They are private body parts. Just like some things make us feel safe and happy, some touches also make us feel safe and happy. These touches are comfortable. They are safe and good touch, like hugs from your parents and shake hands with friends. Some touches are uncomfortable. No one should touch, look, or talk to us in an unsafe manner. No one should touch, look, or talk about the private body part. If someone touches, then no and get away. You can also ask for help from a helping person. So tell me now, students, what will you do if someone touches you in the wrong way? We should say no. Get away. Ask for help. So friend keep on telling till you get help. Stay safe, alive and aware.
Wonderful. Very nice. Yes. Yes. Come in front. Bante, come in front. Come in front. Yes. Yes. Say thank you. Thank you.
Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think.
Very good.
Now I would request Naveen ma'am to please come on the stage and share her views and encourage the students.
Thank you. Thank you, Rema. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rehmat. I would now request Avinash ma'am to encourage the students by sharing a few kind words.
So children, first of all, everybody clap for class Kansi. All of you. And clap for your teacher, Mrs. Mona. It was really well organized. And children, it was well organized. And children, you spoke very well. Each and every line you spoke very smartly, and it was clear also. Children, do you understand? Yes. So the topic for today is self-awareness. You know what is self-awareness? What is self-awareness? Come. What is self-awareness? One child is coming and she wants to tell.
Self-awareness is that
To know about your strength. To know about your strength.
for boys to have your strength
Yes.
and your body.
Yes, about your body.
Very good.
Very nice. Very nice. You all know that what is self-awareness? Yes. We know about our strength. Okay. You know, I am giving you very very simple reason. That when you wake up in the morning, if you have healthy breakfast, then You get energy for that? For that? And then you do studies also at home, in school? Yes? And you do sports also? Yes? And then in the evening you are going to home, and if you are sleeping late, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, so what happens? The next morning is very, very tough for all of you. So this is called self-awareness. That your body doesn't allow you to sit smartly, to focus in your studies for the next morning. Okay? So what is the most important thing? That we should always sleep early to start our new day. Okay, so children, many of the children I have seen, they were yawning. Why? Because you sleep late. And if you are sleeping late, your next morning is going to be very, very difficult. Okay, so this is, and you have seen that safe touch and unsafe touch. And this is very, very important topic for all of you. Okay, there are many people, you meet so many people in school also, at home also, your relatives, and there are some DDs also, they are working. So you have to be very, very careful that how they are talking to you, and are they touching you, or they are hugging you, or they are not. Especially if they are hugging, then we should not just maintain a balance, maintain a distance. Okay? What do we need to do? Just say hello and just shake hand. Don't hug everybody. Okay, children?
Yes.
You know your teacher, you know your parents. Okay? But we don't know anybody else. Okay? The most close relatives like your grandparents, they will hug you, they will love you. Okay? But we should not trust anybody else. Okay? If Avinash ma'am is here, your principal ma'am is here, for sure we love you, that is why we hug you. Okay? But sometimes your relatives come, if you feel good, only then you go and then wish them, and then you get, if they are hugging, it's fine. Otherwise, maintain a distance from the strange person. Okay? That is very, very important. And the most important thing is that if somebody is doing, somebody is touching, then what you need to do? The first thing is you need to tell your parents, your mother, especially, you need to tell each and everything to your mama. Mama, who I think he touched this on this part over here and this. Otherwise it is going to be very, very difficult. Your mama will not know who is a good person coming and who is bad person coming in my house. So this is very important to tell each and everything to your mama. If somebody is not touching, somebody is touching you, but in a wrong manner. Okay, children? Yes. And children, I have seen you that most of you are not reading every day. This is also called self-awareness. If you will keep telling your brain again and again that I have to read every day, then your brain will every day your brain will say that yes, first I will read 2 pages of the book, only then I will sleep. So this is called self-awareness, that you have to do this thing every day. Okay? Reading is very important for all of us. For all of us, reading is very, very important. So now raise your hand. How many of you read every day? If you don't read, don't raise your hand.
Be truthful.
Be truthful. Yes. How many of you?
Are you all reading?
I think. A big round of applause for all of you. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. So this is called self-awareness, that nobody is telling you that read books. Nobody is telling you eat healthy food. Nobody is telling you that you have to sleep on time. This is called self-awareness, that you know it is your sleeping time, it is your study time is yours. Play time is your talking time with your parents also. So this is called self-awareness. If your mama is unwell, this is your duty to ask mama, mama, how are you? How are you, mama? Mama will say, yes, I am fine. Mama, do you need something? Have you taken medicine? Okay, so this is self-awareness, that you know what you need to do. Okay, when you come back to home, your mama says, how was your day? Mama always says to everybody, how was your day? Then what you say? It was good, it was not good, it was so. I couldn't finish my work in the class. Sometimes you talk to your mom everything about, yes, this is called self-awareness. That your mama is asking some question and you are answering. Okay, so now what you need to do? You need to make your timetable for your day. Okay, that those things which things are very important for you and which things are not important for you. Okay, children? So that way you will be going to know about your strength. Okay, about your liking also, and about your favorite thing also. If you are focused, if you know, this is called self-awareness. Okay, children? Now I think you all are getting bored. Now we are feeling so bored, ma'am. We can't listen to the lectures. Yes? Yes. So, the most important thing is reading. And second thing, sleep on time. Sleep on time. But your mama will not say 11 ho gaye hai, you have to sleep. No. You have to sleep on time so that you can do many good things for the next morning. Okay? Yes, children. Clap for your teachers. Say thank you, ma'am. Clap for your didis. Thank you, didi. Thank you, Manmeet, ma'am. Love you all. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your sports. Eat healthy food.